Hi, this is Bhairvi Shah. So welcome again. Nice to see you again. You ready for next card? Okay. Before going ahead, I am into tarot reading, numerology, and also other card readings along with spiritual coaching. And if you want my information about what are the services and offers that I am providing, you can always check it out in the descriptions, in the area surrounding, or the links that I have given. It would be mentioned on the links or on the pages which are informed. Alright, we come to the card number 10 for Lenormand. The basic meanings: aggression, danger, sudden, something sudden, cutting off, something cut off. I used to be very scared of this card along with the coffin card when initially I had started practicing and working with it, and daily I used to work with it. I know few of my friends who already know Lenormand work. I might have confessed to them, or I might have really shared this feeling of mine that I'm scared to do my daily read because I see these cards and I just don't know, my mind just stops operating, something like that. And I have realized it does not always has to be very extreme. It has an edge to it, so do not ignore it. But it can also mean in my opinion, I have seen it can also mean injections. So I have seen that in real life. It can also mean sudden cut. It may be like, if you, I have seen it in my experience, coffin and scythe together. It meant that since long the person had been in the box, that is house, and suddenly a friend came in and they moved them out of the house. Or coffin, wherein it meant depression, and suddenly out of the depression, the depression was cut, the end was cut. So this is something that how creatively that can be worked out. Scythe can mean weapon, literally a weapon. And in Lenormand world, sometimes when the card, whatever the deck that we are using, they have this pointing. So whichever area, which way it is pointing is also sometimes significant. So in our Lenormand world, we have seen that some people do give importance to that part as well. So you know what is actually cut. But sometimes it doesn't matter. In some cases it may not matter, because we are working with the right, left, above and below cards, or there are other ways which we work with the positioning of it. So this is something which are basic